know when.
Okay.
We good? Hey, you guys. So we're going to get right into it and talk about the starter kit bonus, the fast start bonus, and the ER bonus for you so that you can learn all the ins and outs of that. So as soon as you enroll your first person, it can be immediately, like you get your kit and then that same month you share with your mom and she wants to get a kit. So what that does is that earns you the Start Living bonus, which is a $25 cash bonus that you get from anyone who is getting a premium starter kit. Basic kits are not included in that. Then the fast start bonus, this is where you earn 25%. So we had mentioned before where you get 25% from the first 3 months of someone on your level 1. And this goes into it. It basically will equal $25.
Unless they order more on the kit.
Yeah, if they have 100 PV. If they order more, then it could be more than that. So you're basically looking at anyone getting a premium starter kit. If that's what they order and they haven't added on, you'd earn $50 for each new member you enroll with a premium starter kit, because you get a $25 Fast Living Start Living bonus, and then you get 25% of 100 PV, which would be $25 of the Fast Start bonus.
We always just kind of like, I kind of lump these together most of the time. Like, this is your starter. Yeah. You'll get a starter kit bonus when you sign someone up with the starter kit, and it's these two. So if you just want to know the breakdown, this is what it looks like.
Yeah, and I basically tell people, whenever you sign someone up, you're going to get a $50 thank you check in the mail.
As long as you order 100 PV.
Yes, as long as you ordered that 100 PV, you're going to get a $50 thank you check from helping someone else get a premium starter kit. And so orders during the first 3 months are the 25%. And then if that person that you helped enroll in that same month also enrolls someone else, then you're going to earn 10% off of that as well. Mm-hmm. So and that's from the first 3 months. So that kind of can lump all together and be more than a $50 thank you check that you can get, which is just, it's nice because people can start sharing right away, and that just increases the excitement and starts that momentum going.
Yeah. I think you said 25% when someone else enrolls, but it's 10%.
Right, 10%.
Like when you enroll someone else, if they sign someone up, then you're going to get 10% as well. Right. So if you help other people share, then you're also getting rewarded with a fast start bonus as well. And you can earn that 10% bonus, on a newly enrolled distributor in the first 3 calendar months. So it doesn't have to be just that first month.
Right.
It's that 3-month deal.
Yeah.
As well. So, yeah, most of the time. Okay. So to get these bonuses, you only have to order 50 PV to get these bonuses. Still, we like to say order your 100 PV so you don't miss out on any other extra bonuses that could come along from you signing people up. I just really recommend that. I mean, if you're only signing up like a person here or there and you don't really care about anything else, then just make sure you order your 50 PV that month. But if you're really looking at doing this as a business and you want to make sure you're not going to be a money misser is what we call them, then you need to order your 100 PV. So something new that they just rolled out recently is Essential Rewards bonus. So if a member enrolls with their premium starter kit and signs up on Essential Rewards with a 100 PV order at the same time, you as the enroller will earn an additional $15 bonus paid out along with the starter kit bonus. So you see, it like adds up. If you're on top of it and you're helping your person know, hey, get your starter kit, it's the best deal. Also, make sure you're on Essential Rewards. So that you can try everything out and it's the best bang for your buck, and you get all these other opportunities to earn points back and get promos and all this other stuff. It's just encouraging you to make sure they know all this. So you're going to be getting your $50 starter kit bonus plus the $15 bonus plus the 25% on those essential rewards for the next couple of months. So it's setting you up for success and your members up for success. For the bonus to apply, the essential rewards order must process successfully that following month. So you would need to enroll with the PSK, sign up for the ER in the first month, and the second month essential rewards order must process with 100 PV for the enroller to qualify for that bonus. They don't want you just to sign up for it and then not order and then be paying you the bonus. So obviously that makes sense. If it doesn't process successfully the second month, then that bonus will return to Young Living the following month. So those are all the ways that you get. These are what we call kind of our basic bonuses that we can all qualify for with these things. So we're going to dive in a little bit deeper in our following videos of just even more amazing ways they reward through the compensation plan. But that's it for the Fast Start Starter Kit and Essential Rewards bonus.
Thank you, guys. All right.